gentlemen. Today we're going to be showing how I take pelargonium geranium cuttings. Right, let's have a look at these first. As you can see, just have a look in there. I'll be taking that one off just below that bracket there, and also take that one off and some others at the back. So first of all, I've got some stickers. I stick it and I mark everything so I know exactly which plant they've come off. First of all, you're going to need some compost. You can use compost on its own, but I like to mix in some horticultural grade vermiculite. Just helps with the drainage, because that's the last thing you want is getting too damp, because they will rot. Also, what you need to cut them, I use a nice sharp knife, but you can, several things you can use, scissors, secateurs, as long as they're sharp and clean. You don't want to pass on any disease. So let's start by taking these two off here. That one there, like so. I'll put that lovely and clean cut. Take the flowers off, and then take off the next one. Come back to that one. That needs a lot of trimming up. So I'll take this off just here, just below that bracket, like so. As you can see, you've got the leaves on, got the flower, it doesn't matter. Just snap off like so. The flower, just pinch out, take that one off, and take this flower stalk up, just snap off like that. As you can see, you want to take it just below the bracket there, and that should root then. I don't use any rooting hormone, anything like that. So once that's done and trimmed up, you want to fill your pot with a mixture. I use 2/3 compost and 1/3 vermiculite, and this has got feed in it as well, so only a small amount. Once you've done that like that, you want to take your dibber like so, put it in there. Once it's in, place it in your water to soak until it's right to the top. Whatever you do, do not overwater them, because they will rot. You want to be placed on a shaded windowsill that's got light all day, and they will root in no time. I'll show you one I've done earlier. This is one that I took last week. Let's have a look at this one, shall we? This is, hopefully, here we go. Spot on. That's rooted already. I'll put that back in. So that's taking geranium pelargonium cuttings. How to. Any questions, don't hesitate to ask. And please subscribe.